say I won't complain, no. The thing be say, we dey see pepper for your house, oh. We dey see pepper, Madam Landlord, oh. Madam, Mrs. Landlady.
There's someone in here. Ma!
Hey! My God has caught you today. Eh?
Ma, I'm very sorry.
You have defied everything.
Ma,
you urinate in my bathroom.
I'm sorry, I was very
Even pregnant woman's urine that sings, eh? Okay. No problem.
I was very pressed, ma. I'm sorry.
If you were so pressed, why didn't you run outside the gate and urinate in the public gutter? Eh? What? So your people urinate in the bathroom? You are people urinating in the bathroom.
No.
Don't worry. You will lick the whole urine today with your tongue.
Oh, okay, ma. Just open the door. I will wash it, please. I'm sorry.
You are going to stay inside there until your husband comes back and pays the penalty.
Please, landlady, pardon her, please. Pity her. Consider her condition. She's a pregnant woman.
Why is Zobo? On which side are you? This minute you have come to report to me that she's urinating in my toilet. The next minute, you are begging on her behalf. Eh? Thank you for your information. Go and say your Zobo is outside there. People will steal it. Go there. Leave this one for me.
Oh, my mouth to shut up.
You stay there until your husband comes.
But not everybody will talk because if the man they sharp. Me say they right na lie. You go reach here?
Ejikonya. I dey reach here. Nowhere where my business don dey carry me go.
Na wow. Una dey waka o.
Ejikonya. Landlady, lock up your wife for toilet.
Which my wife? Which landlady? For which toilet?
You see there here they ask question. I don't know whether him don release am o. As of the time I dey, he still dey toilet.
My own wife. My own wife. I beg if I come I give you 10 naira.
Okay, I carry my business today. My natural sobo.
Huh? What you know the go again?
I know the go again make up one come down.
Come on, you know the girlfriend.
Adam Latrin! Adam Latrin! Hey! Chineke God! Adam! Adam Latrin! Adam! Adam! Where you there? Here! Papa too!
Yeah.
Look at what you do here now! You confused! Go for boss! Bring spanner or jack! Anything when you say bring am! Bring am now, beg! Adam! Latrin! Hey! Oh! I gotta get my landlady. You have to get man on what man on here. It's not better for you. Thank you. Give me now. You say we have the person you won't kill. Okay. Give me can break this thing.
Won't kill.
Hey! What are you doing? You can break my door. Oh, you want to commit more crime, eh?
Which crime?
You want your penalty to increase?
Make it increase.
This is break and entry, oh. This is break and entry. That's what.
You don't know what break and entry. You know what you commit?
Commit where?
Adam, this is what you do. You know past break and entry.
See what you do.
You know how many people you kill?
See what you do.
What the election you kill? The pikin wey dey inside by you don't kill am.
Is she dead?
One will never even know whether na twins.
Is she dead? But she's still alive now.
Eh.
All this.
Okay.
No, let her go! Go, let them go!
Oh, she can't try it.
You have to break my
She can't try it.
She
can't try it.
I go speak for your face. Let her know that.
Let them go.
Nonsense. Now today I go show you say I get power. And the place.
Pick anything pickable.
Anything.
No waste time.
Yeah. Come out.
Pick and lock up.
Nonsense.
No wasting
Show
time.
una cells still dey empty. I be people dey inside. I see am. Go na take am.
Okay. Now me you go bring recruits make you come arrest me. Eh? Police of your level. I think say you should have gone to bring the area commander himself.
She thinks that we dey play.
Madam, you are under arrest for attempted murder of a pregnant woman.
Thank you.
Good.
Is that
Put
what you
up.
call it? Good. Is that what you call it?
What do you...
Murder.
I will advise you to remain silent, for whatever you say will be used against you in the court of law.
Arrest somebody they quote Bible.
Opera, move on.
Please, madam.
Hold on. Wait.
Action, you dey quote, you dey craze.
Madam,
No worry, let's go.
Make you no be say na mistake I do o. Abeg.
Madam,
I know how much when I pay for
Hey,
that
don't touch
place.
me, don't touch me.
Make we follow.
Don't touch me now.
They come.
Landlady, wetin happen?
You know they see.
I have visitors. Let me see them off. I want to escort them a little. If I don't come back in time, tell my daughter to come and see me at the area command. The DPO sent me for lunch.
Not the only lunch. Make you bring morning, afternoon, night food here.
If you get sense, you no go dey answer wetin happen. You see police, you want to go have you for this case.
Abeg o,
You
make una leave am o, abeg. Wetin I do now?
Make we leave am.
I do hear anything.
You see action, you dey ask wetin happen. Wetin happen?
Go tell him daughter. Make them prepare food for 3 months.
Hey!
Food for 3 months. You hear am? If they come back for this place, you be landlady.
Hey.
And that side you go be landlady. No one. Doctor, I don't know wetin you dey talk. I don't understand you at all. Why if you say when e reach my turn things go change? If na me now I go say bring deposit before you take water. Bring deposit before you take medicine. Bring deposit before they treat your wife. Now we don land, money don land. Small thing now, this woman go come here. You go open your mouth, tell her say no problem. Then you go carry the money go. Tell her say problem dey. So that you go bring money. Tell her say we go buy blood, we go buy medicine, we go buy food. Different type food wey dey give blood for body or everything. No be all those small food wey dey take small money.
Mr. Jinkonya, what you are saying is against my profession. Your wife was brought here unconscious, but now she's alright.
Wife na my own. Na me get wife, na me go talk when e dey alright. I say my wife never dey alright, make you keep am. So that you go make small money, wetin you dey talk? Small thing now, na go carry biro dey write those things wey una go write finish. Na only una fit read am, nobody else fit read.
My friend, I'm the medical expert in charge. I've checked your wife and she's alright. You understand?
Yes. You be medical expert. Me be wife expert. Na me know wetin dey happen to my wife. Na me know wetin I want from my wife.
Mr. Jinkonya, your wife is alright. Please, I have other things to do.
DPO, make we go back to your office because this place wey una bring me here I no trust am. As far as I concern, this case must go to court.
My brother, calm down. You see, as far as I'm concerned, there is no need forwarding this case to court. Your landlady here has agreed to take every necessary deal concerning your wife's treatment.
God bless you. I thank you very much. But you see, you must write am down. If you sabi this woman, you no go put her for counter. Na inside cell direct you go through am.
Since you know me, why are you living in my house?
Why I no go leave?
Madam, it's okay. As far as I'm concerned, you are going to write this case down and sign. Okay?
Thank you. You must write am down. Sign am. Write am, sign am. And you go use biro. Because this woman, in biro fit touch the pencil.
Okay, don't worry. I'll make sure that is done.
Thank you. You must tell am.
How will not go tell her?
I see what thing go happen now. As we don't reach here, no problem. Just go knock.
Me will go knock.
Now.
Why?
Knock now. So when you knock, me I will knock.
Not be you be her tenant. You know as this woman they behave. If I go to knock and begin ask whether they live for this house, just knock.
Nothing dey inside. Nothing dey inside. Just knock. When you knock, the woman come out. Me I explain everything to her.
Go knock. Bring her out first. You go see what I will do for you today.
No be my advocates. Not my solid and advocates. Bring her out.
Everything you go dey talk with you.
Nothing make you help. You know fit help. That mouth you go dey shout.
You go see my action for here now. Just make sure say she come outside.
Say make her knock now.
Yes.
Yeah.
She know the house.
She fit there.
Okay. Good evening.
Good evening. What do you want? No problem. We just come now. Waiting doctor tell us now we come talk.
Yes.
He say we bring mineokwa, very hot one, very hot mineokwa, and bring this thing.
This hot drink where they give blood.
Which one?
Where they miss egg for inside. Egovin.
God go bless you. Egovin. Bring big loaf of bread.
Yes.
This one will be like luxurious boss. Those big ones. Bring over tea, big one, big over tea. Then powder the milk. Powder milk, abi?
Yes.
Powder milk.
You don't go tell us everything. Say 2-2 for everything.
The master
Thank you. Will you shut up?
Which one? Wait, I'm not going to tell what the doctor talk.
No.
What is your business?
Na me dey talk for na my solid and advocates. Na him dey carry my case. Na him.
What is my business with all these things people are saying?
The business.
No be you talk say anything wey come out for the treatment say na you go pay. Na you talk am.
That one na step 2. You don't just jump step 1. Step 1 be say you carry somebody wife wey get belle. You don't know whether na twins dey inside that belle. You carry am, go lock am for inside toilet. You know the disease. You want to kill them?
Na true.
You want to kill them?
Bros.
We never come out to we dey here o.
You too dey shout. I don't know wetin dey worry you. Your voice too dey go up. Okay, me I tell her say
you dey try to talk.
What I mean I tell her say 1-1. You wan talk 2-2, make her talk 2.
No be if I talk 2 she go price and come to 1.
Okay, she don price am now. She don go inside. Even 1 we no get. It's not fit even na beg go beg am. He bring the thing we carry am. No be so? You go dey talk yeah. Your voice na you sabi pass now. Na you sabi.
No problem. Na me I beg am. Madam Landlady. Madam, I bet no vex say we can't disturb you. That thing wey we talk na lie. No, we no see dog.
How you go talk like this? What did you talk?
But why you go to blame me?
You want to say na why we dey lie?
Yes.
Hey! Come out here! What did they worry you?
Don't talk, oh. If you talk, I will arrest you and tell the police how you been stealing fowl from this compound.
No, which police station you go bring the police?
Okay.
You know so that place don't record you.
You see
Anything you commit.
Jinkonyi, this one cannot pay even half of the money. House rent has increased to 24,000 naira.
Hey! From
5,000. You can't even pay 2,500.
Hey!
Half of 5,000. So you keep quiet.
Fear God. This month quarter night they increase house rent. Fear God.
So check it for between now and the end of the month whether you can still continue to live in this compound. If you cannot, after eating the bread and the tea, you look for somewhere where you will stay and your wife will have a baby. Well, meanwhile, I have settled the doctor. I paid this, so the doctor says she's going to be discharged tomorrow morning.
Madam, come.
See, police say you bring this thing again tomorrow.
Madam, come now, may we discuss this thing. See what thing you cost now.
Everything you go.
No, you bring this time. No, you bring this thing. No be you talk say make we tell am make we dey give am bill. No be you. See wetin you cost now. I swear.
You no eat am.
If I eat am nko, no be you make us begin. If I give you anything, all the money wey we dey get for this thing now, na we go dey give am take pay house rent. You go better.
Hey, Nne, are you back?
Sorry, we thank God. Seriously, just keep quiet. Do you hear me? So in your head is only flying objects in the night that are called witches? We live with witches. So I think you should really stop using the Lord's name in vain.
Thank you.
And then what did that one mean? I be crazy the one.
Shut up! You know what I'm saying that my wife, they talk to like that. Don't let me knock your head, though.
No, she thinks say we don't know.
You get crazy?
No, she thinks say we not hear all the things where they talk.
Pretender.
Even your name self, the police station, the rest. We don't put on there. What is the worst money for your head for? Eh? This thing where you they miss here. Carry poison they give people. Today you go show us the NAFDAC number. Hey, I swear.
That one not be my business. You not even consign me.
Very soon.
Why they do? This my double. My papa do it.
Yes.
My mama do it. Even my mama do it.
Thank you.
And I my day.
And your pikin go do an inside cell. Better.
They will come meet up.
They'll come meet you for prison. Come. Okay. Who put this nonsense thing for my house? So? Who tied this nonsense? In short, I go.
I think that's
You don't know this kind of thing.
against the law.
Chilo, this is not juju. They say law. What did be law? This one you don't talk this fight at that level.
Bros, make we come out this thing.
No touch on me. This is what they try for shrine.
I'm really tired. I think we should just go to my dad. Yeah, I have tried and I'm really tired of all this. Let's just go and talk to him. By now, I know my dad. By now, his anger is gone.
Okay, that one go fall my hand. I no go fit do am.
Okay, so now go to live there, Abi Ada?
I'm tired.
That's so that you people would not go and be living with your daddy, Abi? If you try
Are they crazy?
you know Azama that did this start?
Are they crazy?
From Ejin, where are you? Please wash my car tomorrow. Ejin, where are you? Cut the flower. Before you know it, they don't start the gate man put you there.
No worry, the first day I go eat for table, the next day na for ground.
Okay.
I did
Not
talk that one sef.
I know your condition, but
Not
this is
talk
my
that
friend. For what?
Bros.
Go find pastor. If your pastor will bring.
Okay. What you dey do here? How you leave my boss, leave my wife for boss, come here, come stay?
Every time when me and you dey work, you go pack bus. If you no enter bank, you go enter fast food. What did they go do there today? I wan know.
Bros, you cannot dey behave like mugu at all. Make I tell you, all these people wey you see dey enter bank, dey enter fast food, dey enter Mr. Big, Mr. Small. You think say they go bank? Let everybody wey enter bank, they go bank, go put money.
They go pray.
For where? When you enter, look, shit dey catch you. You just see their this thing, piam, you enter, go shit am, come out.
Shit free.
Free of charge. Bros.
You sure?
Yeah.
If not, you say make dem no go search me. If they don't see money for my pocket, they will say maybe I been wan come steal their meat pie. I for don enter now.
Who dey search you? Anybody wey dey go bank, then they respect am. Once you enter bank, piam, they go say you carry money. You come pose.
Pose.
You pose, pam.
You like say you dey wait for your turn.
Piam. People no look like piam. You enter. Go
when you
to
shit
the
and finish.
Shit
and
come out again.
come
Do
out.
like person wey no dey shit.
Rearrange.
Look. Nobody look you. You come out.
May they no go here.
Say my wife still dey you go dey learn something from me. They learn. No dey do like mugu. No dey do like
Nah, say it's
they learn from me.
What is it?
Once shit catch you, you stop motor.
If you get to a place that is lonely, let me know. I want to use myself.
You for talk and sense now. Anyway, e never too late. I go stop where I do.
You no gree enter gear too.
Wetin dey that too?
Which kind family business is this now? We no go work.
You dey craze? Wetin be that? You no hear say she wan easy herself. Abeg make we dey go. Stay here wait till make we go.
Are we going inside there?
No. Okay, you think say na everybody wey go inside there na food dey go buy abi na snack? Some of them na toilet they go.
Don't say never, don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. Man no be God, oh. Don't say never, don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. We don't know who God go bless, oh. Don't say never, don't say lie. Don't say never, don't say lie. Don't say never, don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. Man no be God, oh. Don't say never, don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. We don't know who God go bless, oh. Don't say never, don't say lie. Don't say never, don't say lie.
Are you going to order something?
Order wait. Make you take style, stand up, and this thing go do am. You say order.
Order embarrassment.
Embarrassment. See person who dey try help. Dey there. When somebody come enter now, here you go. Take. Nonsense. Person go try to help una. No. Change. Put your shirt, make you wear my own. Change to what? Put your shirt, make... Hey. I know they good for you. Yeah. You wear my own, Put on my own, Mr. Man. It was my dad for you. Hurry up now, be fast, Mr. Man. Go this side. Watch him out. They run, they go.
Mrs. Landlady, don't be say I won't complain, no. The thing be say, we dey see pepper for your house, oh. We dey see pepper, Madam Landlord, oh. Mrs. Landlady, no vex say I talk my mind, you. The thing be say, wahala full for your house, oh. Madam Landlord, oh. Mrs. Landlady, don't be say I won't complain, no. The thing be say, we dey see pepper for your house, oh. We dey see pepper, Madam Landlord, oh. Madam, Mrs. Landlady, no vex say I talk my mind, you. The thing be say, wahala full for your house, oh. Madam, this your house so fine. The wahala be say, now one toilet you get though. No matter how the latrine hook you, you must join the line, oh. For the bathroom, not the same things. Madam, this your house is full of suppression, yes. Oppression, yes. Inflation, yes. Discrimination, yes. If to say we get money,
They come.
Now! Just enter this car and be driving!
What's up?
Enter! Just be driving!
Hey!
Oh my God!
What now?
Lock this door! Lock this door!
Hey, I don't know what you think say we will take all this money do. For me, I will say make we take some more. Carry the rest, give police.
Police? This money is our own. It's our money.
This one?
Yes.
See, make I tell you, people will get this money go catch us. You don't say if we change this money, we'll take and buy 40 bus. When we buy 40 bus, we put them for road. But for me, I think say 2 bus or 3 bus, they enough for me.
You need to have foresight. So you think God come down from heaven to help? But this is the way God will help you. Just give us manna from heaven.
We never get 2 sides, we dey go 4 sides. We'll get to 1 side self, do them. No, they talk of 4 sides. See, make I tell you, this money now, you say na manna from heaven. Now our own manna be this.
Yes.
From heaven.
So what I expect you to ask is, how do we go about this transportation business? So you think you alone cannot handle the whole transportation of the state? Who says that? You can.
I go think of myself.
So I am thinking, trying to put the business plan together in my head.
Now you go use the money, no be me go use the money. Leave am make I think and plan am.
When the plan comes together in my head, I will tell you, so we implement it. This is our ticket out of the slums. Because me, after this, I'm not going back to the slums.
Where be slum?
So here, we have to think, strategize, plan and invest this money well.
Who go plan am very well?
No, I'm thinking it.
No think am. No think am.
I am arranging the business in my head. Don't worry.
No, now you go use the money, no be me go. Why you go arrange am for your head? If you arrange am for your head, that means say this money don't spoil. Leave me make I plan am very well with my own self.
Is that where you're going now?
I know they go anywhere now. Here I dey.
Don't. Let me think. We have to properly invest this.
Okay.
Properly.
Okay.
Fuck up. Which kind of thing what I do now? Guy, why go dey fuck up like this now? Oga, forget that. I know they carry this. No, forget it. When I go market, buy everything with it. Pay for it, you know, we pay. Don't put them here because they don't go pay.
Mbede, one chance to go. Mbede.
Ross.
Mbede, one chance to go.
Ross,
Wait.
Ross, please make you help me buy handkerchief.
Which kind of message with that?
I beg you. Just help me.
I don't know, they send me those kind of message.
No verse.
I don't know, but they send me.
No verse. Just help me buy. Thank you.
Mbede, one chance to go.
Hey, Anki.
How did you get this shirt? I said, how did you get this shirt?
This is the very last time I'm asking you this. Where did you say you got the shirt?
Not buy him. How did you buy him? From who you buy him? You don't talk. Waiting call me that one now. Okay. I said don't put your shirt.
Huh?
Don't put your shirt. Put your shirt. No change. Put your shirt, make you wear at home.
Change to waiting.
Put your shirt, make.
Hey.
I know they look for you. Oh yeah.
They went my home.
Let me give me that arm rubber. Hey,
Give me that man when you go threaten me. Go give me this shirt.
I'm gonna you. Let you. I don't know whether I go rob. I should run because you can't catch me. You don't come out my shirt. You tell me how they do conductor for my friend. And you come here. This is your friend where you calling them now. How can I find him? I don't know. I say, how can I find this your friend where you just calling them now? I don't know. You not go talk. No opportunity now you get today. Shh. You dey tell me say you no get him phone number. You don't know his house. You don't know anything about him. It's me for motor. See, I'll tell you something. This your friend now where you call him name. He holds something wey belong to me. You dey hear me so? And if you carry me go meet am where him dey, you don become millionaire.
You won't trick me.
I go trick you. Mr. Man, I am telling you the truth. Make you just carry me go meet this man, you don't become millionaire.
You go give me 1 million.
I go give you more than 1 million now. What think be 1 million?
Not beside no in house like that. But if you say you go give me that thing when you talk, I'll carry you go in house.
Yeah. Now you dey talk well. Oh yeah. As you don't agree, make you carry me go meet am. Just relax. Now you be my friend. Me and you now one. But if you try run or escape, you see this your big head, I go comot am from your head. Now him be say you no go get your body no go fit get head again. You hear me so? Oh, yeah, smile for me. Come on, smile well.
Nah, but still.
No, leave am. Now our friend dey be now, leave am. Yeah, they smile.
Hey, James! Hey, Jim, come here! Why not? Why be that? Hey, James! Hey, James! Where this guy go? Hey, James!
Hey! Why are you shouting here?
No, not be shouting. This man, nah, my friend. So he say he wants to see a James. Now I call and come, make it come know in house. Oga, our landlady, greet her.
Good evening, mother.
You're welcome. It's only that I'm setting my eyes on this one.
You get another place where you see him?
You get one place where in they drink and don't know whether I go there. No, let's go check him.
Oh yeah, come here with you go. Madam.
Let me know when you find him, eh?
Come here with you go.
I'm also looking for him.
No wahala, madam. Come here with you go.
Tell them not to come here and shout again, oh. I don't know who is a James. Ejinkonye is the one that is living in my house. Ejinkonye. Foolish boy. I mean a man, sir.
Good one. Hey, Adam. My boy. How you doing? Thank you. Thank you.
I told you, you really need to upgrade. This is rundown on the upgrade thing we're talking about. It's a process, so you have to help me out here. Imagine if someone walked in here and you're drinking palm wine instead of red wine. That's serious downgrade. You have to go with the flow. It's all about the attitude, okay? Upgrading is attitude.
Palm wine, downgrade. Make I tell you, you don't understand. So you won't kill me.
This is not working.
You don't know say palm wine na fresh. As I dey take fresh palm fresh thing, so that I go dey many years for this our land. Now you dey tell me say e no good. Make I tell you, you know my papa brother, no Igbo kill am.
How?
It because he see say he got the money, they begin buy am maggi, tomato, wetin be this thing? Tomato tin tomato. No be ordinary fresh tomato. No be fresh tomato. Plus palmy, this Oyibo palmy, wey dem dey call red wine. Na poison. All those things wey dem dey put for tin, dey put for packet, all of them na poison. E go make you reduce your age, you go die young. My papa wey born me na fresh palmy, yam, red oil. E dey mix and chop am 145 years. I swear.
By virtue of eating yam and
no, fresh food, direct from garden.
Okay, fine. I will not argue that point with you. We're all entitled to our opinion.
Thank you. Thank you.
But talking about downgrade and upgrade, I have written the speech we talked about. So when you're done with this, you come in, peruse through, get in touch with the line so that when you are giving the speech, it comes out real, like this is your language.
Peru! If you say you sabi watch match, you know that when they play World Cup.
I mean, go through the speech, understand it, so when you say it, it's not like you're my word.
It is in that country where they play for World Cup, where they call Peru.
I'm talking about your speech.
When you dey speak grammar, they reduce them for me. That's why I dey vex for you every time. Me and you no go the same school. You hear them? When you dey speak and they break them down, they cut them, they knock them for my own language. They speak Peru. Wetin concern Ambro and grammar. Wetin concern plane and overhead bridge. Wetin concern vulture and baba. The people who they talk, they understand my language is simple.
I thought the whole point is, it's your time. As the new chairman, they should understand the way you want to lead them. The hallmark of a leader is you lead, good example, and they follow. It doesn't matter whatever speech they give.
What is the hallmark?
Whatever language you start with, they don't have choice but to keep up with you.
Okay.
It's as simple.
Thank you.
It's
It's
simple.
When you call, you
The
tell
speech
us.
is not that
You tell
long.
us
I
the
made
hallmark.
it kind of, you know, it's really...
Thank you. Really. Now bring the tonto. Bros, go bring the cup inside and make your mama
Please,
take.
don't speak pidgin to my son.
Why?
Daddy wants cup. Go and get daddy cup.
Come. Adam.
You see? That's exactly how I want him to go.
Now my pikin the talk.
Thank you.
Make I not speak my grandma for her.
Don't.
Why?
It is the prayer of every parent for your child to be better than you are.
Thank you. My pikin go dey better than me. You hear am?
We agree on that.
Aburo language now take get the money. My pikin go sabi Aburo language pass me.
Everybody is not here. I'm serious, do not speak pidgin. Fine and forbid my son. You see that? He heard.
Okay.
Tell him thank you.
See, make I tell you.
Daddy says thank you.
Make I tell you. Leave my pikin.
I'm
Bring
not
am.
working with you. I forbid you to speak that jargon to my son. I'm serious.
Me dey talk jargon.
Yes. And please be done with this downgrading thing and come and look at the speech. Thank you.
Ada. More dey talk jargon. Okay. No problem.
Don't you know this stuff? Oh, you thought I was going to drink this with you? Say you're sorry. Jeez. Okay.
Tell you sorry. Say I bring you cup, make you drink for me with me.
I no go lie, this song they make this guy out to beat up from out. What do they do for this song, sir? The chairman also going to waste time.
You go wait, na no be chairman.
If you be chairman, what would they ask for song? We'll bring the money, we'll go carry chop today. That one Najara.
Madam Landlord, Mrs. Landlady. Don't be say I won't complain, no. The thing be say we dey see pepper for your house, oh. We dey see pepper, Madam Landlord, Mrs. Landlady. No vex say I talk my mind, you. The thing be say.
It's a lie.
Hey! 2 minutes!
Come on,
Come on there now, what's the name? Let's go back and find you there now. You don't know the word. No. Give me go. Anything when you get, let me get out. No, go me. Give me another one time. That's my guy, moto. Hey! Are you guys moto?
Don't say never, don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. Man no be God, oh. Don't say never, don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. We don't know who God go bless, oh. Don't say never, don't say lie. Don't say never, don't say lie. Don't say never.
Can you disappear? It didn't surprise me over.
No, you walk then. You know disappear. No go reappear. I'm done.
Don't be even your disappearing surprise me pass. I have you managed one day for this position where you do so. You see the kind of way you drive?
No be small thing.
You know that wetin that motor be?
Forget it. Forget it. Here, I'm not gonna take cool. No, not eat. I'm not gonna eat. And then they eat like hungry lions here. That's not amazing. Later, I will tell you now what happened. How not to take me to myself again?
Oh, not go there. This one don't really die finish. Now I go jam am for where they pick drive a wheelbarrow. I pick am.
No, don't suffer.
You don't suffer. You dey our body. Look us well. How are down in Bele?
You very stupid. You not be my friend, I for reactivate you. When I reactivate you, you see your face, I swear you no go like her. When I change the position of this your face, now you go know say years dey pass. 2 years and 9 months. Now they ask about 2 man wey get belle. See.
No be that same belle I dey ask.
Pikin wey don reach to give another person belle.
We are too fast to take you play football.
As things arrange for you, why you no fit send for me now? Abi you don forget how me and you dey?
Forget about the day. As I dey so, if I begin rearrange the weight they send for you, no go get money again. But I thank my God. My God will tell me say, make I no comot that belle wey that girl get for me. If you see my pikin, if you see my pikin, no be like this pikin dem wey dey run round gutter. When their nose dey comot, dey enter their mouth, dem go dey lick am. I say na ice cream. See dog, oyibo dog. See as oyibo dog dey dey. Once you see oyibo dog, you don see my pikin.
All those time wey dey eat shit.
Dey close. Oyibo dog dey lick shit.
You get dog wey don dey eat shit?
He say oyibo dog.
Oyibo dog wey dey lick shit.
Oyibo dog no dey eat shit.
Anyway, I go soon go back. When I go back, I will rent una food. I'll come with you. Huh? Fine. No be now.
No be this place where you dey go sef. Where you just dey shape mouth. I really talk like big man wey don arrive.
One person dey tell you say poverty na disease. She say the person dey lie. How many times when I go tell you say I dey state capital? State capital! Capital!
State capital na name of town.
For my office now, governor of the state dey there dey wait for me. And you no go go anywhere until I come.
You sabi governor.
See, abeg, I just go beg you. Na money we never get, dey no comot our brain. At least if you want life for us, make you also dey think of our age.
As you see me now, if you no tell me come tell you say na story, as you see me say I get money, you no go believe am. Now you don see me. Okay now, when you saw me finish, you wan take money?
No be say I talk say you dey lie, but
You sabi governor.
that the kind lie wey we no be believe.
You sabi governor. But the thing be say if you get anything wey mo kware.
I do that. Na to hold conscience.
The thing dey fall apart.
I dey like to help poor people o. I one of my reason why I take enter this year. Okay.
If we just believe, we just believe. No be say.
Okay. One time when I wan call me, this number is 7. Anyone wey take call me, I get am. If I no pick am, my boss go pick am. This money, when I take am pay. When you pay for wetin you chop, the remaining, na share am.
How much dey there? I say how much dey there?
Accountant. Short. Hold it up first.
Ma use am pay for water.
Hold am. I don't say me pay for anything. Hold am.
No wait, we go pay for the food now. We go know wetin remain, we go share.
Hold am now. Hold this thing.
Na go where dey
Wait, now you know am. Na me know am.
No be two of us see the money. Say moku pay.
na like more na fight. I don't go na money.
Where this guy?
Mrs. Landlady, no vex say I talk my mind you. The thing be say wahala full for your house. Madam Landlord, Mrs. Landlady, no be say I won't complain no. The thing be say we dey see pepper for your house. We dey see pepper, Madam Landlord, Madam Mrs. Landlady. No mercy say I talk my mind, you. The thing be say wahala full for your house. Madam, this your house so fine. The wahala be say now one toilet you get though. No matter how the latrine hook you, you must join the line, no. For the bathroom, not the same things. Madam, this your house is full of suppression, yes. Oppression, yes. Inflation, yes. Discrimination, yes. If to say we get money, we for don't back come out, Madam Landlord, Mrs. Landlady. Don't be say I won't complain, no. The thing be say we dey see pepper for your house. We dey see pepper, Madam Landlord, Madam Mrs. Landlady. No vex say I talk my mind, you. The thing be say wahala full for your house. If you no be this, na that Madam Landlord. If we no dey quarrel, we dey fight, Mrs. Landlady. Don't be say I won't come.
Madam Landlady.
Hey, sorry for the court case. It was not intentional. In fact, I collected your property. I put them in a secure place because I have not seen you people in a long time. Even your wife, I have not set my eyes on her.
Madam Landlady, no problem. You see all those properties, no problem at all. I don't overgrow that property. As you see me, sir, I'm a big man. I live I chop wagum. It's not today. If you check the whole road, the way there for this in Nigeria, my motor, my buses, they run around them. You see those buses when they write EJ? Now my transport company. And that's true. Make I find you something. Make you take whole conscience. Hold this one. They can do transport where you they go. Bros.
Thank you very much.
Mention it.
Hey, God has blessed you.
He don't bless me. I'm not meant to bless God.
Thank you. Wonders will never end. Oh, a common bus driver.
Don't say never. Don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. Man no be God, oh. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. We don't know who God go bless, oh. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. Man no be God, oh. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. We don't know who God go bless, oh. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. Man no be God, oh. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. We don't know who God go bless, oh. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. Man no be God, oh. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. We don't know who God go bless, oh.
You must accept. When you see money, don't talk about money too much. Why don't talk about money? No, see that man.
What is this man doing on my chair? Will you get out from there?
They ask him to cool, go down. Cool down and chop money. Only who got here will Murunia. A very big moroni atagomego emego money. Chairman conglomerate. See, he man like this nigga must always them the jinkonye in a before I make good money. If you look at me, I'll go Honda him outside. Those people you see outside, they are my boys, my bodyguard. Who are you if you come to my house? If you come to my house, I throw you out. They will just throw you out when here. But if I tell them to live with you, I forget, but I'm a big man. So cool, Dan. He gonna put now is how to settle your daughter. A register, I want my wife. Wife of big man, Moronia. Inano, Akinano, Ejim chicken, or fowl, Ejim goat, Ejim nama. Chicken, white, blue, black, anyone each or on a backyard, Ejim Mabia. Ejim Konya, what can you Ejim Kim? It's my own. Akinano, cool, Dan, get up on money.
Daddy, I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. He's truly a changed man. I'm sorry. Okay, if not for me, for your grandson, Daddy.
You like it? That is good. See, look, I tell you, from today on, I can get too much money, that is what I have. Oh, my in-law. Now, 5. Now, 5. You are my in-law.